Just recently, the Bureau of Meteorology have released a new report into the state of the climate. So essentially, they're looking at how our climate is changing over the past 20, 50, 100, even 150 years, and trying to work out what kind of trends we can ascertain. Now, let's have a look at rainfall in particular today. So, rainfall is extremely variable in Australia. From one year to the next, you can have completely different rainfall patterns across the country. However, you can notice an underlying trend in the climate. And one of those trends is that in southern Australia, it is starting to dry out, particularly in the cool season, whilst in northern Australia, it's actually getting a bit wetter over the long term. Now, let's take Perth as an example of the drying trend in the south. 2018 was the wettest winter in 15 years, but even that winter was drier than usual. Let's take a look at how the past 20 years compares to the overall trend of 108 years of Bureau data. So over that 20-year period, you can see through the April to October period, so the cool season, we've got the driest period on record. So the driest 20-year spell in the past 108 years is this darker shading here through a large portion of the southwest land division, as well as parts of southeastern Australia and also in southern inland parts of Queensland. So over that period of time, we've noticed a substantial drying trend. So the climate is definitely changing across Australia, and for growing seasons through the south, unfortunately, we're seeing less rain.